So we are going to quickly discuss about the very basics in Salesforce because one of our trainees attended a interview today. There they have asked a few basic questions like what is Salesforce and how exactly the Salesforce is going to help the business. Suppose if they are going to use some objects or relationships, even whatever you do, the workflow or process builder, how this exactly going to help the business? Okay, this is the query they have asked. So let me help you with that one. Basically, why the business go for Salesforce? Anybody? Do anybody have any answer for this? If suppose during the interview, if they ask you the same question, why any business they should use Salesforce, in what way Salesforce is going to help them? Anyone?
To enhance the services of customer
Okay, in what way? How this going to help them?
by automating the process like sending emails,
Okay,
remaining them the close date something.
okay, okay. Good try. Others? Any question? Sorry, anybody want to give a try?
To maintain existing customer or gain more customers, like
Yes.
based on opportunities, leads. Salesforce has sales community, different cloud services are there. Uh, that services will help to gain more customer and to maintain existing customer to give them a good service.
Correct. See, basically, Salesforce is a CRM. Okay, maybe in during the interview, if you come across this kind of question like, what is Salesforce and why Salesforce? In what way Salesforce is going to help the business? You can tell them, yes, Salesforce is a CRM. Again, CRM is nothing but it helps in two things. One is the pre-sale, which means before you bring the business inside your sales. Bring the customers, getting the customers inside your business. Second thing is post sale, which means you have some customers, you want to retain them, you have to give a good relationship with them. For these two purposes, we are going for a Salesforce. It's nothing but a customer relationship management. And again, customer in the sense, there are two kinds of customers available. For example, if Amazon is a business, for Amazon, you, me, and everyone are customers. We are all end users. This is B2C, business to customer. And there is a one another type of business is available, which is B2B, business to business. Any idea about this business to business? Can you give any example for that? Anybody?
Uh, in B2C means directly if you are purchasing anything from Flipkart, Amazon, that will be a B2C, and in B2B that means if there are two vendors are there and those are having some transaction or they are doing some business together, like we may have seen like two companies they are directly dealing with, they are doing the business together, that will be B2B. Any spare parts or any vendor kind of things.
Yeah, correct. You are almost there. And can you give any real-time example? Anyone? It is not a only you have to give an answer. Anybody? Anyone? Okay, let me give you some example. Okay, do you all know about MRF tires?
Yeah, yes, sure.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the I have mentioned there are two things. One is B2C. Example, Amazon, Flipkart. So all these things, you can take any, Tata Salt. Okay. Okay, Tata Salt, I cannot say. Okay. So let me keep like this so that I don't want to confuse guys. So another model is B2B, which means business to business. This is business to customer to customer. And another one is business to business. I give you example like MRF tires. Why? See, it is not MRF has a big factories in all over the world, I can say. Okay. But it is not the MRF founder or CEO or who actually works in MRF who comes to you and sell the product, isn't it? They are not the one who comes to you and sell the product. So they have agencies. It is not MRF agency. There are some private agencies who will go to MRF factory and get the product, and they come to your town and they sell the product, right? So for MRF, they are going to have a relationship. For MRF, agencies or the customers at the end of the day, because MRF is selling their products to these agencies. But the agency is not the end users. The agency is itself a business. So this is a good example for business to business. So those agencies, what they will do, they will sell the product to the customers. That comes under B2B. So MRF to agencies is B2B. Those agencies to customer is B2C. Is that clear with this business model? Or anybody have any questions? See, I'm not
Yeah,
going
it's
to
clear.
Yeah, I'm not going to say anything technical. You can stop me then and there. This particular session is all about how exactly the Salesforce is going to help the business, and you are going to explain the same during the interview as well. So at the end of the day, assume I'm a MRF. Okay, I'm having a multiple agencies with me. Maybe I'm having 1,000 agencies with me. Those agencies make thousands of order per day. I need this tire, that tire, this model, that model. There is a chance a single agencies will do the business with the MRF for the last 50 years, last 20 years. If I'm going to save all those information in an Excel sheet, assume
Sir, your voice is not coming. Like your voice is not clear.
hello, others, is my voice clear or you are all face the same issue?
No, sir, we face the same issue. We're not able to hear your voice.
Hold on. Is it clear now or is it, or you're still facing the issue?
Yeah, now
Yes.
it's clear.
Yeah, now it
it's
is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, I'm talking about, let's take the example of first the B2B, okay, the business to business. Suppose MRF tires is using the Salesforce. Okay. Even if it's MRF tires or any other